Assalamu alaikum. Marhaban and welcome to Arabic Mastery. I am Mariam, a native Arabic speaker, and today we're going to explore the foundation of the Arabic language, the alphabet. In this video, we will cover the first 12 letters, their forms, sounds, and some tips to remember them. Let's get started.
إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
The first thing you need to know is that the Arabic alphabet consists of 29 letters, written from right to left, unlike English. For example, if I want to write Mariam, I'll start from the right side going to the left side, like this. Mariam. Here is the first letter, the first one from the right. And Arabic doesn't have separate upper and lower case letters. Now, let's go through each letter. Firstly, we have Hamzah. It looks like an incomplete circle with a short tail, and it never comes alone. Its name is Hamzah. Next, we have the letter Alif. Some consider it the first letter of the alphabet. It is the easiest letter to write, resembling a straight vertical line. Draw a simple vertical stroke from top to bottom. Sometimes, it acts as support for Hamzah, and with Hamzah, we pronounce it similar to the English A sound in apple. For example, asad, up. Now we have a group of 3 letters that look similar. To write all of them, start with a horizontal line, then add a small semicircle or pulse shape for both sides. This is the basic shape for the 3 letters. What distinguishes them is the number and position of dots. The first one is ba. Place a single dot below it. It is pronounced like the English B sound in bed. For example, bab, bahr. Next is Thaa. Place 2 dots above it. Its pronunciation is similar to the English T sound in top. For example, tamr, tufah. The third one is Thaa. Place 3 dots above it. It is pronounced like the TH sound in think. In short, the tip of your tongue is between your teeth when you pronounce it. For example, ثلاثة, ثقافة. Then we have another group of 3 letters. They all start with a horizontal line, then draw a curved hook descending below the line. Each is distinguished by the number and position of dots. The first one, Jeem, at the single dot in the center of the hook. It is pronounced like the J sound in jam. For example, jamal, jad. Next is Khaa. It has no dots. This letter can be challenging for non-native speakers, as many languages don't have the sound. But don't worry, I'll make it easy for you. It is a throaty sound. Take care. It is totally different from the regular H sound for the letter H. We can say it is like a breathy H, so it is ha. Now I have a question. What do you do when you eat something very spicy? You will make the sound. Letter H has the same sound. For example, ح حصان, ح حلوى. The third letter in this group is Khaa. Place a single dot above it. It is like clearing your throat. Khaa. Khaa. For example, Khaa خبز. Khaa خروف. Next, we have another group of two letters. Both are written with a small semicircle, then at a vertical line. The first one is Daal. It has no dots. It is pronounced like the English D sound in dog. So, for example, دجاجة, دفتر. Next is Dhaal. Place a single dot above it. It is similar to the TH sound in this. Ensure the tip of your tongue is between your teeth when you pronounce it. For example, ذهب, ذيل. Now we have another group of two letters. They are written with a small curve. Start above the line, curve down and slightly to the left. The first one is Ra, without any dots. The sound is like the English R in room. For example, رجل, رأس. The second letter in this group is They. Place a single dot above it. It is pronounced like the English that in zoo. For example, زيتون, زرافة. Now let's quickly recap the Arabic alphabet from Alif to Zai. Firstly, we have Alif, Ba, Ta, Thaa, Jeem, Ha, Khaa, Daal, Dhaal, Ra, and Zai.
And there you have it, the first 12 letters of the Arabic alphabet. Remember, practice is the key to master these sounds. In our next video, we'll cover the following letters inshallah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch all our Arabic lessons. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below or connect us on social media. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video inshallah. Salam.